Okay. Welcome to our marketing plan. Ngayon, pag-aaralan natin kung paano tayo, siyempre pagka ini-invite tayo, no? Ini-invite tayo, in-invite tayo kung may on passenger, no? Pero after that, nagkakaroon na ng mga tanong paano ko ma-maintain yung monthly ko, no? So from there, we are going to offer them a solution. So we will show them our amazing marketing plan. Okay, so tingnan natin kung paano ba yung so for at first, of course, pag nagka-interest na sila, we will ask them to become a partner so they can promote this business and they can have the right for the way to earn. Okay, so tingnan natin kung paano ba yung mga kitaan dito. So dito, we have 5 ways to earn, no? So kagaya kanina, during the presentation, it was already discussed a bit, so like direct activation, na kung saan we can earn, every time we sign up somebody, we can earn $20 or up to 150. Sabi nila kasi, depende. You could be signing up one classic member wherein is $20, no? But you will be lucky enough sometimes to sign up someone as a premium member. So, mas malaki ang income doon. Okay? So, dyan sa direct activations yan. Weekly matching bonus wherein this one is like teamwork ito. Kasi as your partners nagsa-sign up sila in a week, then you can avail their income. Of course, the company will be the one paying you by signing up also. So it's like, okay, it's a motivation to you work, I work, so it's like that. It's a teamwork. And then the recurring income, once you have, you are with rank, you're entitled to this income that in your team, wherein when someone, every payment, recurring payment they are doing, so you will be entitled to $5 to $10 sabi kasi the higher your rank, the higher you will be having this recurring income. Okay. Builder-based bonus, dito, we are talking about the new production. Okay. New production in your team. So it's like your builder base is like the builder base word is like your foundation, So you will be working with lower rank below you, no? So if like we are going for practical explanation for this, like si Olga, I am builder base of Olga, so it's like above national, must not be above national director, no? So yung national director, ang builder base niya ay regional director, senior marketing director, and marketing director. Okay. And of course, wait, because I cannot see this side. Leadership bonus, of course, the leadership bonus is when you have your rank, you will be earning this percentage of your sales volume. Okay. So we will see, isa-isahin natin. Okay. So, yan yung daily activation. You will earn $20 for each new sign up. So, the word daily, sinabing daily kasi when you sign up today, after 24 hours, ibibigay yung commission mo. So, if you sign up on the 5th, new one, on the 6th, darating yung commission mo. That's why I think this is the reason why they call it daily activation. So, meaning sa activation bonus that we have 2 types, the daily and the monthly. So, ito na yung daily na explain ko na. So, dito naman sa monthly bonus, it is called monthly bonus because at the end of the month, ibibigay yan. Okay. So, when you sign up, here, in this kind of income, there are bracket, when you sign up, new one like 3 to 4 sa isang buwan, nagkaroon kayo ng 3 o 4 na naipasok, no? Apart from your daily activation, bibigyan kayo ng $20 each pa as monthly bonus. Okay? So, pag 5 to 9, ang ibibigay sa inyo as monthly bonus is $30 each. Okay. Pag nadagdagan nyo pa, naging 10 or more, hindi na 30 ang bibigay sa inyo each. Magiging 40 each na. So, marami, di ba? So, the next slide, papakita ko sa inyo yung example. Okay. For example, sa isang buwan, we are talking about isang buwan, no? Nag-sign up ka ng isa. So, yan. Let's say, 5. 5 yung naipa-sign up mo. So, may daily activation ka na $20 each. Yun yung tinatawag na daily activation. So, may total ka ng 100, no? And then, dahil masipag ka nga in 1 month, di ba, meron nga 3 to 5, may another $30 ka. Okay? So, dito, magkano na yung kinita mo pag ganyan ang nangyari sa'yo? So, sa daily activation, may $100 ka kasi tag 20. Okay? Then, sa monthly activation, meron kang 150. Dahil 5 times 30. So, sa isang buwan, sa activation bonuses pa lang, meron ka ng 250. So, halos na-cover mo na yung puhunan mo na member and partner na 295. Di ba? Oh, ang galing, di ba? Okay, so the next bonus is weekly matching bonus. Ito yung teamwork na sinasabi ko. Ito na ang pinag-uusapan in production in 1 week. Okay. So sa isang linggo, for example, ikaw yung partner 1 mo is naka-sign up siya ng isa. Eh yung second partner mo is naka-sign up siya ng 3, na? Ito ay mga direct mo ha, mga direct sponsor mo. Okay. So, halimbawa yung isa, 2. So, magkano ang kinita ni number 1? So, may 20 siya. Magkano ang kinita ni second? May 60 siya, di ba? $20 each. So, yung isa, may kinita siyang 40. So, yung mga partners mo, ang total ng kinita nila is $100. So, alam mo ba na company will pay you $100 kung ikaw ay makakapagpasok din ng isa during that week. Mag-sign up ka ng isa. Ikaw as a sponsor nila. So, pag nangyari, of course, kung matatanggap mo yung total na 120. Nagpasok ka lang ng isa. O, di ba? Sinong may gusto nito? Ayaw? Ate Noemi, gusto nyo?
Ay, natural.
Okay. Ito yung tinatawag na teamwork. Okay. O, ang galing ni ano, gagayahin ko, ganon. Okay. Okay, ito naman yung number 3 and number 4 na income natin. Team leadership bonus and recurring income. Okay. So dito yung magkakaroon ka na ng rank kaya ka entitled doon sa team leadership bonus and recurring income. Okay, nandito sa next slide. Ito yung in-explain na ni regional director natin kanina. Okay. To become a marketing director, like in my case, ang sales volume ko dapat in a week sa team is $3,000. So pag na-meet ko yun, magkakaroon ako ng team leadership bonus na 300 kasi 10% of 3,000. Okay. Yung kasi as a marketing director, may 600 yan dapat na income, no? So the other 300 will come from the recurring income. So it will come up to 300. So magiging total niyan is 600. But this recurring income will depends on how big is your the number of your partners in your team. Okay? Direct, indirect, pero okay? So sa senior marketing director, para maging senior marketing director ka, dapat magkaroon ka ng 10,000 na sales volume at ang magiging total ng bonus may 2,000. Of course, 1,000 is yung team leadership bonus na talagang darating sa wallet mo. Okay, so yung another 1,000 will come from recurring income. Okay, the same goes with regional director. Kailangan may 25,000 sales volume. Ang team leadership bonus is 2,500. The another 2,500 will come from recurring income. Okay? So, for national director, 50,000 dapat, okay? And then, 10,000 yung, 5,000 yung team leadership bonus, and another 5,000 will come from recurring income. So, magiging total niya 10,000, okay? So, international director, 100,000. So, ang total niya na matatanggap niya is 20,000. Kasi 10,000 is for the team leadership bonus, and 10,000 will come up to 10,000 is the recurring income, and so on and so forth. Pataas ng pataas yan. Of course, mas mataas itong executive director and even those ambassadors. Okay? Yan yung sa team leadership bonus and recurring income. Okay? So, paano ba magkaroon ng rank, no? So, may ginawa ko dito ng slide na, for example, no, you have your, nagkaroon ka na ng 5, no? Na yung kaibigan mo, pinasok mo, yung pinsan mo, yung kolega mo, friend of friends, sister mo. And then sila rin, of course, pagka lagi nating sinasabi, no? Sometimes the people we are signing up, sometimes they will think, oh, I'll be having a burden of paying the $100 per month. So that's the time we will be offering them na actually they can be free, no? You can do so. We will be suggesting them to invite 5 people, no? 5 people who are going to go on trip also, or perhaps, so just like you, maybe later they will think of being a free membership also, no? So when you have this kind of movement in your team, so there will be more people joining, no? So if in the end because people are joining you, if you end up with a sales volume of 3,000, then you will become a marketing director. Okay, so di ba madali lang? O may ilan na ang mga marketing director natin, di ba? Okay. So, dito naman, the next one is builder-based bonus. Ito na yung sa new production ng team. Sa new production ng team, they are talking about this new production. Okay? Builder-based, as I say, is the foundation. Okay, so I will be just explaining in a practical way now para mas maintindihan natin because I took quite some time also to understand this. So, it's like, for example, nandito kasi, when you, as an MD rank and above, your builder base consists of your partner's team, lower rank than you. Okay? But not higher than national director. So, okay, sa grupo natin, sino bang national director natin? Si Aliyah. Okay, so si Aliyah, ang builder base niya ay yung mga nasa baba na hindi national director, like Rina Aidogan, si Olga, then ako, RR. So, yan ang builder base. Okay? So, si Olga, ang builder base niya is ako. Okay? So, ako, wala pa akong builder base. Dahil hindi pa ako umakyat sa marketing director, ay senior marketing director. Ano. So, pag halimbawa, sa itong grupo ng nasa baba ng national director, nagkaroon ng production, new production in their team, 5,000, then builder base will be based on, pag 5,000 to 9,999, ang production, 5% ang builder base nung doon. Okay? Tapos, pag sa 10,000 na, 10% na. Okay? Yan. So, maraming bonuses dito sa ating, sa in-cruises. Okay? Ayan. So, dito naman tayo sa incentives. Okay. Ang famous na incentives na nakukuha natin, yung free membership, yung magkaroon nga kayo ng 500 na sales volume. Okay, sa fast start bonus, ito yung in 1 month, yung nag-sign up ka, tapos in 1 month, naging marketing director ka, instead na yung team leadership bonus may 300, magiging 500. So, 200 more. Okay, dito naman sa Elite Travel Advantages, yung pag naging marketing director ka na, na-confirm ka ng 3 times na close mo yung rank mo, then you can book your trip using all the reward points. Di ba? Dati-dati, sasabihin natin, pay by cash, half pay by cash, half pay by reward points, no? Pero pag marketing director ka na or above, pwede mo nang gamitin lahat ng reward points. For example, your trip na nakita mo ay 2,000. So, meron kang reward points na 2,000. Pwede mong ibayad lahat ay yung reward points. So, that's the time na sinasabi na going on trip free. Kasi hindi na as a marketing director, hindi na ikaw nagbuhulog ng monthly, company na, tapos yung pang reward points na naipon ang ginamit mo. So that's why we can say that you travel for free. Okay. Then yung mga reward points computation, as na-explain na ni Ma'am Irina Idugan kanina, na itong mga ito na i-announce ng company at saka yung mga incentive trips na may mga pag mag-qualify ka, tapos kagaya ng sinabi niya doon sa mga summit wherein you can join and you can rub shoulders with our for example the higher ranks, no? So we can learn from them because pag nandoon ka sa trip na yun may mga trainings din. Okay, so ipapakita ko yung free membership, ayan, with 5 members na naghuhulog ng monthly nila for their trips or maybe as a partner, then you will be free of your monthly payment. So diyan sa team natin, marami na tayong kasamang free membership. Okay? Okay, so now, since ginawa natin ng business, no, we will be having our income, no? So, kailan ba dumarating ang mga sweldo, no? Sa daily activation, 24 hours after na nag-sign up kayo. Okay, may nag-join sa inyo today, tomorrow you'll be receiving $20. Okay. Sa monthly activation, every 8th day of the month, yung pag naka-apat ka, di ba? So may $80 ka darating sa 8th day of the month. Yung weekly matching bonus naman is paid every Monday. Okay? Yan. So, imagine sa isang buwan, dami mo, kung nagkukuha mo lahat ito, no? Oh, daily, tapos sa 8th day, tapos Monday, tapos ito pa, team leadership bonus is paid on the 10th day. And recurring income, 15. So, kahapon. Okay? So, kahapon, may mga natanggap. Di ba? Builder-based bonus on the 15 pala. Imagine kung meron ka ng halimbawa na, meron ka ng on the 15, dumating ang recurring income mo, darating din ang builder-based bonus. Wow! So, ganyan ang mga kitaan dito. Okay? So, kung dumating ang sweldo, of course, dapat kukunin din natin, di ba? Okay, in 10 minutes daw, mapuputol na tayo. Anyway, patapos na. Okay? So, ayan yung mga, magre-register tayo kung alin ang napili nyo dito sa mga company na ito. Like for me, I choose iPayout. Okay? Olga, I think, ipa-wallet. So, mag-register kayo dyan. Pag registered na kayo, that's the time you can transfer already, no? You can transfer your money. Sorry, kasi tumatawag si Gloria. Si hindi yata makapasok, okay? Okay, some people, like in our team, may mga nag-order nito, yung physical card, okay? Pwede rin natin gawin yan. Okay, I think I have said everything and then thank you. So it's just good enough kasi less 10 minutes, may 10 minutes na lang dito sa Zoom natin. So okay, any question